This is the famous potato. It is tastier than meat. So you're going to add 1 tablespoon of margarine to a hot pan. You just want to melt all of that margarine in the pan. Now add 1 large grated carrot. And just saute that carrot. And after finishing, the carrot will kind of wilt and become super soft. Now turn off the heat and set aside. Now we're going to add 800 grams of potatoes and mash. You want to mash until it is closer to a puree. Now after finishing, the potatoes are much softer, which is good. And now we're going to add over the potatoes those soft carrots that we sauteed. Just add them very carefully. Since everything's pretty hot, just be careful not to burn yourself in this process. Now add 150 grams of grated mozzarella cheese, add some chopped parsley, and just stir everything again. This magical mixture alone is super tasty. Now set aside a good amount of your potatoes. And next you just want to shape the potatoes just like this, in this way. You want to make the potatoes very round, like this, and just repeat the process with all of your dough. And after finishing, this is the result. Beautiful, right? Now, the next step is to prepare the sauce. So with 3 ingredients only, you're going to prepare a wonderful sauce. First, add 3 eggs, then 2 spoons of yogurt, and 3 tablespoons of wheat flour. And just stir well until all of these ingredients are very homogeneous and smooth. And after finishing that, this is the desired result of our sauce. So now we're going to separate the dumplings and just dip the dumplings into the gravy. Now this sauce is going to help fry the dumplings. And just do it very carefully. And then remove excess and place directly into the pan to fry. You want to place and fry in hot oil. And just add all of the potatoes. And wait for them to brown for just a few minutes and then turn them over. After browning one side, it's time to do the other side. Just again, be careful not to burn yourself since the oil is very hot. So you just want to turn them very carefully and just wait a few more minutes. And our dumplings are ready. Shall we try them? Serve on a plate and call the family. This is an incredible recipe. The result is so wonderful. It's creamy, it's crunchy, and it's super tasty.